The goal for today on Crossbreed is a spray-in bed liner. We're going to start along the top rails, knock that section out first, then the sides of the bed walls, and then finally the floor. I might not do bed liner on the entire thing. We'll see. I used a rubber bed mat in my own Squarebody that I was very happy with, but we're definitely going to put the textured bed liner here on top of the bed rails to match the tailgate, which we've already done. I'll show you that. Now, I know you can see what some people call modeling in this bed liner sprayed on the tailgate, where you have some more glossy spots and some more flat spots. And that can happen oftentimes with metallic paint, but also this bed liner or really anything. So what we're probably gonna do, what I've done on my Squarebody, is once we get everything bed lined where we want it, we're probably gonna go back over it with a Rust-Oleum satin black or semi-gloss and some hardener. I've found that when you add the hardener to that oil-based paint, it really gets hard and it lasts a long time. Excuse me. So that's probably what we're going to do, just to give it a nice flush look and make sure everything kind of matches and flows well. So we'll see what we decide to do with that. So what I'm doing here, I'm going to make a mark to figure out exactly what distance I want from this top edge right here and where I want it to stop at the rollover point here. I'm gonna do front right here, and the rear, and that way I can have it uniform on both sides, and then I'll figure out how I want to measure off from this corner too and gauge that. So what I've done here, rear on one side marked, front on the other. Again, I marked it from here to where I want it on the edge. So I'll be able to make sure it's uniform on both sides. We've got everything sanded down, prepped up, taped off. Here we go. What we're going to do is use some Duplicolor truck bed coating on the top bed rails, because I like that texture the most out of what I have. Then I have a couple boxes of Rust-Oleum undercoating that we're going to use for the inside of the bed panels. And then finally I have some hot rod enamel black that I'm going to coat everything with to finish it off. So I'm hoping I have enough of this to do the bed rail covers, because the can's a little empty, but I might actually hit it with this first. I don't know. We're going to find out. Let's rock and roll. I'd say it looks pretty good. Again, Crossbreed is a driver, and this bed is not in the best of shape, so we're not trying to make it perfect. Let me know what y'all think. Thanks for watching Signature Series Rigs.